How to combine multiple email addresses into one line using Excel. So if you want to combine multiple email addresses into one line using Excel, then first you need to open up your Excel application. Once you open up your Excel, now you just need to simply go with your document in which you have your emails. And here you need to enter equals to 2. And here you need to enter equals to TEXTJOIN. And then open the bracket, go with double quotations, go with semicolon, TRUE, and then select from A1 to A5. Now simply press enter. Or if that doesn't work for you, then you can go with another formula, which is this one, equals to, enter the thing that you have right here, and then hit the enter. Combine multiple email addresses into one line using Excel. So if you want to combine multiple email addresses into one line using Excel, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with a formula, which is equals to TEXTJOIN, and then open your bracket and keep a semicolon in the inverted commas, and then go with a comma. Now you need to select the cells. Now hit the enter. But before that, it will ask you if you want to ignore the empty cell. So you just need to simply go with true and then go with a comma and close the bracket and hit the enter. That's it. That's how you can combine multiple email addresses into one line using Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.